Hello, welcome to Alicia's Creative Paradise. I got a really pretty journal to flip through with you today. It is a gorgeous flower arrangement, and I previously had a video where I showed I got these flowers from Little Birdie, and I've got a real pretty a fabric on the bottom, and then I have a doily on top, layered on top, and then another doily right here. And here's the back. And some sari silk here, a closure. And let me just bring it up where you can see it. Got some pretty butterflies, some pearls. And I've secured this arrangement down where it can be touched and not disturbed. So I wanted to make sure that nothing would, be loosened or anything. So let's go ahead and just then open it up here. And this could be, a writing journal, memories. It could be, for maybe a wedding memory journal. And I used my Garden Delight digital kit that I have in my Etsy shop. Let me just make sure I've got it. Okay, yeah, I've got it in frame. All right, so I just really like this Garden Delight kit, and I wanted to make a journal to go with it. So I have a little pocket here with a little tiny tag, and everything in here is going to be from the kit except for a few pieces that I selected that I put in, such as this, pages like this. But here's the first page, and I had the tabs that are from the kit in here. And then I had also, this is from another kit, and I'll link it below. And I'll let you know who this kit is from right here. And the butterflies are from Artie Mays. So just a few extras in here, but I just really wanted to show the Garden Delight kit. Here's an envelope. And a washi sticker. And I have this gold trim that I really like that I got from Hobby Lobby. So this journal is not overly embellished. I do have a lot of pages in here for writing, for adding maybe photographs and things, because I didn't want to over embellish this one because the cover is so extravagant. And here is a paper ribbon and a page from a book of history of money. There's some coffee dyed tracing paper with a couple of little pockets and pieces from the kit in here, different sizes. And just a few pieces of ephemera here, tag. There's some vintage lace throughout the journal. Coffee dyed paper. Here's a page from the kit. It says porch swing with a tab. More of that lace printable there. And here I've found some matching fabric that I really like that goes with this kit. It has like some rusty colors in it, and I thought that this fabric was really pretty, so I put a double pocket on several different pages with the ephemera. There's that. And some vintage lace. And this is some vellum that I printed on. Another butterfly. Some more ephemera here. Take Me to the Garden. And here's the center of this first signature. There's actually 3 signatures in here. Butterfly, nature. It's another, this is like some coffee dyed tracing paper that has a double pocket here with some of the ephemera that you can place wherever you want. And some sari silk. It's got polka dots on it, on the paper clip. Some more, here's the other side of that vellum. So there's lots of places for writing in here, and photographs or whatever. This says fireflies, butterfly. And there's some more of that vintage lace, real pretty. Some more here. Okay, and then here's the second signature. And just some more of the ephemera. This says Notes, Garden Delight. There's this one, Botanical Index. And it all just slips in here. And here's another double pocket with the fabric. Lots of ephemera. There's a tag. And I also have printed a wood design on the back of these. This one actually has stamped on. Some more lace. I really like this color. It's vintage looking. There's some more of that gold trim. Coffee dyed paper with some ink in it. Butterfly. Some more ephemera. And here's one of the wood backgrounds I just thought was really pretty, and lace on the back of these. Dragonflies. And here's the center of the second signature. Garden Dreams. There's a lot more ephemera. And of course, you know, if you have whoever wants this journal and needs it for, maybe say they do use it for a wedding album, you can take all of this ephemera out and replace it with photographs. And there's these. There's a couple more. And I've just embellished all the pockets with the lace. There's another butterfly. I think that's so pretty on this vintage looking letter. And then there's some more. And another paper ribbon. More lace. Lace printable. Some ledger printable. Here's some more of that mini paper. It's got a really nice texture to it. Some more tags. Journaling card. Isn't that color pretty right there? I like that blue. A couple more sweet tags with the sari silk and the wood on the back. Here's another vellum page. And then I just added in this envelope right here. It was from another book that I had. And I just thought it was really pretty. Here's the center of the last signature. Some more vintage lace. There's some more vellum. A couple more pieces of ephemera. And here's some parchment paper with some really big tags in it. These are rather large, so you can actually see I've printed on the back of these as well. And then this is a little tuck spot with this circle from the kit. This is from the kit, and these are Artie Mae's butterflies, and I thought these were really cute tucked into here. Some more vintage lace, another journaling card, some more coffee dyed paper here. And on a lot of these pages I've used 32-pound paper, so it's really soft. It's got a really smooth texture. And then here is the last page with another little tag. It slips right here. And inside of here, I had a whole video where I purchased this from Hobby Lobby on sale. And it's that really soft fabric. You can see, and I wanted to use it, so this is what I did with it. So I hope you like this journal, and I just attached these right here, some gold see, I can't think of the name when I start recording. They're not rivets, they're I can't remember the name. They're these right here. Alright, I'll think of it whenever I'm done recording. Alright, so I hope you really like this journal. It's going to be in my Etsy shop, so if you want to head on over there and take a look at my shop, and like, share, subscribe. And I got some more stuff coming, some more videos coming, some real exciting things going on. So have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.